Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw the Supreme Kai Gowasu, the Supreme Kai from Universe 10. And if you must know, he watches over the 10th universe along with his destroyer, Lord Rumshi. You see, he and his assistant Zamasu, apprentice Zamasu, share a common bond. Gowasu, he takes pride and see that all mortals have their own perspective and decency. But Zamasu, he sees that all mortals have flaws and they're wrong. And Zamasu's divine sense for divine justice means that that they're wrong and proves that it must be destroyed. But Gowasu disagrees. Anyways, we first saw the Supreme Kai Gowasu and his apprentice Zamasu uncover Black's identity, off to the 10th universe's world of the Kais. And Zamasu, he makes the finest tea for Gowasu, and it's pretty impressive. And the first time that Zamasu and Goku fought was in that episode as well. Anyways, I feel like Gowasu is one of my favorite Supreme Kais. But known fact about Gowasu, he's also part of the Tournament of Power saga and one of the main characters from the Goku Black arc. And sure, he's old. He hired Zamasu to take his place one day when he retires. But in Dragon Ball Super Fighter, in Dragon Ball Heroes, he's one of the main combatants. You could play as him in the show if you want, in the series if you want. We never got to see him fight in this show, but maybe we will one of these days. Never give up hope, guys. There's always the future ahead. But you see, to realize Gowasu showed Zamasu the time ring, and he gave him the promotion of Supreme Kai for a little while, just to prove that the BAFFLED, an alien planet that they went to, had their own sense of intelligence. They traveled 1,000 years into the future to see what has come of them, and it turns out they had fire and shelter, kind of like how humans developed sense of intelligence on Earth. The BAFFLED will evolve the same way, but they still do a violent fighting for a sport. Zamasu still thought it was flawed. And when he saw Goku in the Tournament of Destroyers, Zamasu traveled to Master Zuno's palace to find out more information on Goku. And his plan was to kill Gowasu, steal the time ring, and swap bodies with Goku. Then murder him and his family. I mean, seriously, folks, that's just seriously messed up. And it would have kept going if Whis hadn't winded back the clock with the power of his staff, and Beerus destroying Zamasu's body. Gowasu was safe at last, and the 10th universe and the future is safe from his grasp. And with Zamasu gone, the Dragon Balls are out of his hands. Goten and Chi-Chi still stayed alive. Gowasu returned to his normal life. However, his plan to kill Zamasu came at a price. by destroying him, he created another time ring, which was found in the 10th universe. But, you see, my friends, we got to see that the time ring was placed next to the original one. And, basically, however, when Goku, Vegeta, Trunks, and Bulma returned to their future, they discovered that the future didn't exactly change. But, Beerus warned Gowasu about the commotion. So, Gowasu and the Supreme Kai of Universe 7, named Shin, they traveled to the future that Trunks came from, and, they used the time ring. And, they used it to confront Zamasu. But that didn't work. But, anyways, as for Zamasu, when he transformed into that green ether, Grand Zeno erased him. But, I don't know when Zamasu will return, but maybe in Dragon Ball I don't know when Gowasu will return. Maybe in Super Dragon Ball Heroes, perhaps. I think he was the one who hired Hit. But, he did make another appearance in the Tournament of Power saga when he, chose the combatants for the Tournament of Power, but he and his crew kind of got erased. But, they were restored back then. But they got restored again, but with the help of the Super Dragon Balls. Thank you, Android 17. You did a great job at saving the universe. Anyways, that is how you draw Gowasu. Pretty impressive, don't you think, guys? But, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what kind of awesome Dragon Ball character, or Pokemon, or Digimon I'll draw you guys next. Till then, I'll see you guys soon. Have a nice day, and those who harm mortals are not meant to be. I'll see you guys soon. Have fun.